taking a look at the Cruiser fifth wheel. This is the 28RL. So we're going to start out here at the front at the pass-through storage. As you see that it is a very good size pass-through storage. Here's where you get your light, you have a TV input, and your outlet. So if you wanted to set up a TV in here, you can. Charge your phone, sit out here on a nice beautiful day like today. You are able to do so comfortably, which is nice. Alright, so we're going to go around here. We got this one in recently on a trade. So you have your solar charge panel right here, your leveler, and landing control legs control. So see, and your other side you pass through, water heater, outside shower, and your furnace. This is the back to your fridge. Ladder going up, your plug-in, alright, let's go inside. So you see 28RL here at Gog's Camperway. So right once you walk in, you're going to notice this amazing floor plan. And it starts off with storage, which is nice. I mean, you really can't have too much storage in a camper, let's be honest. But once we walk in, we see this kitchen. Now, a lot of these kitchens, like, there will be an island right here, or this will, like, lip around, and it'll create, like, this claustrophobic type of feel to where you never really feel comfortable inside the kitchen. Well, this one has this nice corner kitchen area with plenty of countertop space. You still get your double-sided sink, one side for the clean dishes, one side for the dirty. It's right next to your panel. But overall, I mean, with all the storage that it offers, it's a phenomenal choice for a camper. Great backsplash. A little bit more countertop space next to your 3-burner. This kicks up, creates a little splash guard so you don't get a bunch of grease everywhere. With your oven, overall pretty nice. Then you got your fridge and your freezer and your microwave. If you guys have any questions on this fifth wheel at all, feel free to give me a call, 507-345-5858. Just ask Chris Sebastian. Then we got your entertainment stand with your radio right there. TV would go right here. And massive amounts of storage. Check that out. Isn't that crazy? So no matter what you wanted to put in there, heck, your kids could probably play hide and seek in here. Not encouraging it, just saying it could happen. And you got 4 chairs and the table. It's a beautiful setup over here in the dinette. You do get 2 recliners, so you're able to move these out. These were placed right here, so in this way, when the slides come in and we're moving it all around, you're good to go. And then you got your couch right here. So this will pull out into your sleeper. So if you're looking for like extra places for like company to come over and rest, well, there's your place to do it. And I mean, honestly, if you had me come over, I could sleep in a recliner. I don't know about you guys, but I love sleeping in a recliner. So theoretically, there might be somebody that could sleep in a recliner. I don't know, I personally find it very comfortable. So we're going to head up into the bathroom, where you're going to notice this amazing vanity, sink, and medicine cabinet. Oh, there we go. Don't mind me while I sit in the toilet here. This is a corner toilet, just so you know. So it's a little bit angled. There's your vanity, storage space, and a place to put your toilet paper. You know, a lot of these, we don't have a place to put toilet paper. I mean, honestly, I do so many of these videos, and I go, where would they reasonably put the toilet paper in some of these? At least with this one, I know. I'm just saying. There are some campers where you go, I wonder, or they put it in like a position where it's just weird. I don't know. So let's step inside the shower. I'm 6'1", so you're at about my eye level right now. So we're still underneath the faucet right there. And we got plenty, and I mean plenty of headspace above us. So if you're 6'4", 6'5", you're probably fitting in here pretty comfortably still yet. So the slide out is right here. So this is the slide out, so it's also a closet. So you got shelving, drawers, and then on this one it has the clothes rack. See it? And then drawers underneath. And more just shelving in another drawer. Kind of like that first one. So you got your outlet right there. An outlet right there. I love this headboard thing that they got going on right there. Absolutely love it. And you got storage right there and storage right there. Overhead storage. If you guys have any questions at all regarding this fifth wheel, I mean, my phone number here is 507-345-5858. Just ask for Sebastian. I mean, we got a lot of headspace in here. I'm 6'1", and I mean, I'm on my tippy toes right now, and my head's still not even hitting. And we're in a fifth wheel, so that's pretty darn impressive. I'm not even going to lie. This used fifth wheel, like I said, is here at Gogg's Camperway, Mankato. 507-345-5858. If you want to, ask for Sebastian.